To check if your PC is hacked and actually remove the virus, press Windows plus R together and type MRT. Click on OK and you will see this Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on next. You can do a full scan or a customized scan. Choose full scan if you are having issues, because it will take a lot of time and it will scan the entire system. For now, I'll just click on quick scan. Click on next. And now, as you can see, it is scanning your system for malwares and viruses or infected files. So after a while, the scan will finish and you will see this message that says no software was detected. Or if your PC has some malicious software or virus, you will see a list of those and you'll get an option to clean those viruses or malicious softwares. Just click on finish. Now what you can do is you can manually check if there are some applications that are starting up when you're opening your PC or laptop. To do that, just press Windows key and type startup and you will see startup apps. Click on this. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of applications and most of these are off. If you see an application that you did not install or that is not shipped with default Microsoft OS, you can turn them off. So in my case, as you can see, Brave Software, Canon Advanced Printing, Realtek HD, Universal Service, only these three are turned on and everything else is turned off. If you see something suspicious that is turned on, this means that that software is starting up whenever you turn on your PC. So you can turn that software off. You might have an additional user that might have been created for you. In that case, just press Windows R again and type netplwiz. Hit OK. In my case, I only have one user here, that is my current user. If you have multiple users that are not in use anymore, you can just click on those users and click on remove. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.